Alright, little hood rats, so how y'all feel about this? But anyways, this hair is from DYHAIR777, and this is their Italian curly lace front. I got her in 18 inches, and yeah, this is what she looks like. And when you first take the hair out of the pack, it comes in these really tight curls. Like, I don't know, when you order human hair lace fronts in like the curly styles, a lot of the time when you get the hair, like, they come in these tight curls and it's not cute at all, but that's usually what happens. So you kind of gotta fluff it out to get the full volume and stuff. So that's what I did. And I prefer like the fluffy look over the curly and defined look, but I'm just gonna show you guys it's snapback, you know. So all I have here is water. We're just gonna spray down one side of the hair, just so I can show y'all the fluffy hair versus the more curly and defined hair. This is the hair more defined, and this is the hair when it's frizzy. Oh, I'm just gonna finish this off because I'm not about to walk out the door with half my head frizzy and half my head all confined. And another thing, the company did not ask me what size cap I wear. Like, I think this cap on my head is just their general size. Don't quote me on that though. But this wig is very stretchy. So if you have a big head, you'll be fine. I'm gonna double check and see if they sent me like a standard size cap or a medium size cap, because they didn't tell me. But I'm gonna check, and if I'm wrong, I'll put it in the description box. But this has a really good stretch to it. Like, it's very stretchy. Like, you got a big head, you'll be straight. And the lace is really easy to lay down, because sometimes I get wigs and I have a really difficult laying down the lace. It just doesn't want to stick, but this lace laid down with no problem. And on top of that, the wig is pre-plucked, so it had the baby hairs and a bomb hairline. I didn't have to do anything to it other than throw on some foundation under the wig and just apply it to my head. So yeah, this wig is just like, this wig gets a 10 out of 10 because I really love this curl pattern. I had never tried Italian curly hair, so this curl pattern is just really bomb to me. Like, it's perfect. Hands down, this was the easiest human hair wig I have ever applied to my head. Like, it literally took me 10 minutes. The lace was perfect. The hairline was perfect. I love the curls. It's like a combination between kinky hair and deep wave hair. But anyways, thank you so much to DYHAIR777 for sending me this unit. And if you'd like to get this unit for yourself, I will have all the details linked in the description box down below. I also have my Instagram and my Snapchat link down below, so you guys can hit me up and catch up or whatever. And hit like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my next upload. And I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully. All right, bye.